Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can do Amazon flips between Amazon marketplaces. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the marketplace that you want to sell in. In this case, let's say that I want to sell in the United Kingdom. And then you're going to select a supplier that's not in the country where you're selling your items. So for example, I'm selecting France. And now I'm going to have a list of French suppliers, and amongst those suppliers there will be Amazon. So we're going to be buying from Amazon FR and selling on Amazon UK, and you can choose any of the categories that Amazon has, and then you just click scan. Now I've already done this for you, so let's look at the scan that I launched yesterday. So it's a scan on the games category. So the names are in French because it's Amazon France, but it's pretty easy to translate. So first thing we're gonna do is rank the products by sales rank, and then basically all these products, you can buy them cheaper on Amazon France and then sell them at a higher price on Amazon UK. So for example, there's this one here that you can buy for $3.99 and resell for £13. Obviously the buy price is in euros and the sell price is in pounds, so this actually is less. It's maybe 2.8 pounds or something, or you can do the other way around. You can translate this to euros. For example, let's look at this one here. You can buy it for 16.99 euros and sell it for 29 pounds. So first thing we can see is that Amazon is on the listing, but it doesn't really matter, especially if you're going to drop ship this item. So let's open the first link, because you always want to check, you always want to make sure that your item is actually selling for the price that's shown here. And indeed it is sold for $16.99 by Amazon. So that's really good because you want Amazon to be the seller of this item. And then you can resell it for, let's see, 29.16 pounds. And you see Amazon is on the listing, but it's okay because we are hoping that at some point Amazon will either run out of stock or Amazon will share the buy box. It doesn't always happen, but from time to time Amazon will share the buy box with you. Then the last thing that you need to do is just make sure that you actually have some profit. So you just open your Amazon calculator. So I'm not going to do it now, you can do it yourself. And don't forget to translate this into euros, or maybe to translate this into pounds. If the item doesn't give you enough profits doing FBA, you can just do it as an FBM item, which means you just list it on Amazon for whatever, 30 euros or 29 pounds or something, or even lower if you want. And then as soon as the item sells, as soon as you get an order, then you just go here, you ship it, and you make the profit. In this case, if you put the item for 29, the fee, the Amazon commission is 15% for games and toys. So probably you'll be paying something like, let's see, well, 29 times this, so you'll be making 24 pounds. You paid 16 for the item, 16 euros, so maybe like 15 pounds, or let's say 15 pounds. So your profit would be around 9 pounds for this specific item. We don't expect this item to sell like crazy because Amazon is on the listing, but you can wait, or you can reduce your price, and eventually you'll get some sales. And obviously this is a numbers game, so the more items like this you have, and the more you will sell. If you list 100 items like this one here, then you will be making a lot of sales. So that's it, very short video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. I also want to invite you to join our exclusive and private Amazon sellers group on Facebook. You'll see it's a great community of people like you and me who are always sharing tips, things that you should do on Amazon, what you should not do. People are sharing also their results and so on. So it's very inspiring and motivating. That group you have to apply in order to join, because we don't take everybody. This is very important. You have to answer 3 questions, and in order to get in the group, if you don't answer those questions, then we won't accept you. That's it, guys. I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.